Artoonza.
Hey there, petal-pushing, glitter-obsessed little artists. Did you know roses are basically just nature's way of showing off? Well, today, we're the ones showing off. We're drawing a gorgeous rose in a pot and a cute watering can with a love heart on it.
Aww,
Because
so
honestly, one masterpiece was never going to be enough for us. We've got glitter, glossy polish, acrylic paints, and a tiny naughty vacuum that totally thinks it runs this whole operation. Spoiler, it does not. By the time we're done, your drawing will be so sparkly and beautiful, even the grumpiest cactus will wish it was a rose. So grab your brushes, flash that big smile, and let's make something absolutely bloomin' magical together. Give us your like. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Orange is here, and it is not being shy. Bold, bright, and a little extra, just the way we like our art. Our drawing just leveled up. Let the orange era begin. Yellow just walked in with sunshine energy and absolutely zero apologies. It squeezed out of that dropper like it had somewhere very important to be.
Aww, so cute.
Honestly, same. Yellow doesn't just color, it radiates warmth. We are so here for every single glowing drop of it. Pink has entered the chat. Sweet, sassy, and completely unapologetic. This color just gave our drawing a big sparkly hug and walked away. Now, here comes purple, the royalty of this whole operation. Purple didn't just show up, it arrived. It glided out of that dropper with the confidence of someone who knows they're the most dramatic color in the room. And honestly, we respect it. From petals to pot, purple is spreading royal vibes everywhere. Bow down, other colors. The queen has arrived. Yellow glossy polish just showed up to make it all shine like a magazine cover. Give us a big thumbs up. Light green is like that one friend who makes everyone look better just by showing up. Fresh, calm, and effortlessly cool, it dripped from the dropper and made our roses' leaves look like they just came back from a spa day. An actual spa day. Our little pot is literally glowing and thriving, and we are so proud.
Aww, so cute.
And now, light green gets the glossy treatment because it's clearly not done showing off. Those leaves are so shiny, they might actually start photosynthesizing right on the page. Smash that like button now. Red is in the house. Bold, gorgeous, and here to steal the show. Finally. And finally, light blue glides in like the closing credits of the best movie you've ever seen. Cool, dreamy, and absolutely gorgeous. It wraps everything up with the softest, most calming energy in the room. It's like the whole drawing just took a deep breath and said, "We're done and we look incredible." And honestly, it's right. Look at this masterpiece. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.